Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for stores on the BIMBA Y LOLA application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should scroll down to the bottom. Tap on menu, and at the bottom you can find this stores option above newsletter. Click on it. Now you need to type in your country. Tap on it, and here you have the options. Then you can also type in your zip code or city and click on search. In a few seconds you will be able to check it out on the map. As you can see, it's marked with a blue icon. As you click on it, you will be able to find store information, location, opening hours, and the phone number as well. Tap on OK, and then you will be directed to the website of that store. So that's how you can search for stores on this application. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.